Something very useful to know in Excel is how to auto-fit your text. So you'll find that sometimes your text doesn't quite fit into the boxes that are allotted for the text. So right here is a good example. I've got wording that is going off and out of the cell itself, and it's just a lot. It doesn't fit right and it doesn't look great. However, the next tab looks fine. Everything is fitting pretty well. So how do I get everything to look like this? Well, I'm going to go to the tab that's not fitted correctly, and I'm going to highlight every column by just selecting the left mouse button and dragging over everything I want. And then I'm going to make sure that my little arrow is above one of the column dividers. Any of them will do. Just make sure you get that little double arrow situation. Then you're going to double left click on your mouse, and there you go. It auto fits. And now anytime I add something in one of these here, it continues to auto fit. So that is really cool and really easy and good to know. And you'll definitely use this all the time. So I hope that this helped. And if you like this video and want to see more on Excel, I have a whole playlist. Thank you guys for watching.